Hi everyone. This video is to guide for the input formats of VTW processes. Okay. We have multiple processes here for for Google we have a format of a URL and comma separated with keyword. So for Google you have to provide URL along with keyword separated with comma. The second process is GMB. For GMB we have two sub processes, but the input format is really same for those two. So GMB name comma separated keyword. So here we have our process 2 GMB, same as we have process 3 for YouTube. Here we have to provide a YT video URL. So video URL along with keyword with comma separated. Our process 4 is a direct URL. So here you just have to provide the URL that you want to hit. So for referral URL you have to provide the target URL or the website that you want to open. And here you have to put the referral URL. So this is actually the format for our inputs. So you have to provide all the URL or keyword or GMB names in this text area with comma separate.